Good morning students. Today's topic is Gauss theorem. According to Gauss theorem, the total electric flux passing through an enclosed surface area is equals to the 1 upon epsilon of times the total charge enclosed by the surface. Now take an enclosed surface whose areal vector is vector A. The electric field passing through this surface is vector E. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस किसी भी सरफेस के इनसाइड नहीं पास होती हैं. नाउ वी टेक अ क्लोज्ड सरफेस और स्मॉल एरिया एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस एरियल वेक्टर वेक्टर A at the center whose direction is dA outside from the surface, and this area element makes an angle theta with the electric field E. So now according to Gauss theorem, total electric flux passing through an enclosed surface area through this areal vector is E dot dA equals to 1 upon epsilon naught times the total charge enclosed by the whole surface. Suppose a closed area whose magnitude is capital A and areal vector acting outward, that is vector A. We can take a positive plus Q charge inside this area element, that is suppose this is the positive charge plus Q situated inside this area, and this is a area element making a solid angle, and the direction of this area element is dA outside from this area, and the distance between this area element to the positive charge is small r. Then electric flux due to electric field passing through this area element dA, which makes an angle theta with the electric field vector E. That is, suppose this is the direction of field vector E and this is the angle theta. So electric flux phi E is equals to vector E dot vector A. यहाँ पे हमने कंसिडर किया स्मॉल एलिमेंट dA, that is vector dA is equals to E dA cos theta. Equation 1. Now electric field due to this plus Q charge is E is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square, which is the electric field due to a point charge plus Q. This equation is number 2. From 1 and 2, phi E is equals to E dA cos theta. On putting this value E in equation 1, that is phi E is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square and dA cos theta. This is the small electric flux due to small element dA. Now total electric flux phi E is equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration dA cos theta upon R square. This dA cos theta upon R square is equals to d omega, which is the solid angle. So phi E is equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration d omega. This integration d omega is equals to total solid angle of the closed surface that is integration d omega equals to 4 pi square radian from this equation A and equation B. Phi E is equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 4 pi. 4 pi से 4 pi cancel out हो जाएगा. This gives phi E is equals to 1 upon epsilon naught into Q, that is Q upon epsilon naught. This is the Gauss theorem.